Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing Coolify versus Dokploy in 2025. Both are self-hosted platforms that make deploying and managing apps super simple without needing a dev OPS team. But which one is the right choice for you? Stick around because by the end you will know exactly which platform fits your needs best. What they are. Let's start with the basics. Coolify is often called the open source hierarchy alternative. It helps you deploy apps, databases, and services with just a few clicks. You do not need to worry about writing Docker files or Kubernetes manifests. It handles that for you. Dokploy, on the other hand, is also an open source deployment platform, but it focuses more on being lightweight and flexible. It lets you deploy Dockerized apps easily, manage SSL certificates, domains, and secrets, all in a clean interface. So in short, Coolify, user-friendly and feature-rich. Dokploy, lightweight, simple, and efficient. Features compared. Now let's break down the key features. Ease of use. Coolify shines for beginners. Its dashboard feels polished, and you can deploy apps like Next.js, Laravel, or even databases like Postgres in just a few clicks. Dokploy is simpler, but that also means less hand holding. If you are comfortable with Docker concepts, you will enjoy its minimal setup. Supported apps and integrations. Coolify has a huge catalog of pre-configured templates for apps, databases, and even WordPress. Dokploy focuses more on custom Docker deployments. You will not get as many pre-made templates, but it gives you flexibility to run almost anything. Resource usage. Coolify can be a bit heavier on your server resources, since it tries to do more. Dokploy is lightweight, making it a good fit for smaller VPS setups or people who want speed over extra features. Community and updates. Coolify has a larger community, more frequent updates, and active support channels. Dokploy is newer but growing steadily. It appeals to devs who like simplicity without bloat. Pricing and hosting. Both are open source and free to self-host, which is awesome. But here's the difference. Coolify also offers a managed cloud version, where you pay monthly and let them handle the infrastructure. Dokploy is self-host only, so you will always need for your own VPS, but that also means total control with no extra SaaS costs. Which one should you choose? So now you may ask yourself, which one is best for you in 2025? Choose Coolify if you want an easy-to-use, hierarchy-like experience with lots of pre-made integrations, and do not mind a little extra server overhead. Perfect for indie developers, small teams, and startups. Choose Dokploy if you value simplicity, lightweight performance, and you are comfortable with Docker basics. It is ideal for developers who want more control without unnecessary extras. And that's it. Coolify versus Dokploy in 2025. Both are fantastic, but your choice really depends on whether you want more features or more simplicity. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.